Hello everyone! In this video, we will still be writing the equation of a line, but this time, we will be given the slope and a point. Let's have an example. A line passes through the point 2, -3 and has a slope -1. What is the equation of the line in standard form? The given are a point with coordinates 2, -3 and slope which is -1. To write the equation of the line using this information, we will use the point-slope form of a linear equation in two variables, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1, where x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of the given point, and that m is the slope. To use this form, all we have to do is to plug in these values, so that the resulting equation becomes y minus the value of the y sub 1, which is -3, is equal to the slope m, which is -1, multiplied by the quantity x minus the value of x sub 1, which is 2. Simplifying our equation, copying y, the negative of a -3, that is +3, is equal to, applying distributive property, -1 times x, we have -x, -1 times -2, the answer is +2. Since the question requires us to write the equation in standard form, we should remove this +3 on the left side of our equation and this -x on the right side of our equation. To do that, we will subtract 3 to both sides and add x to both sides. Thus, we have y plus 3 minus 3 plus x is equal to -x plus 2 minus 3 plus x. 3 minus 3 on the left side, that makes 0. -x plus x on the right side, that is also equivalent to 0. The result now is y plus x is equal to 2 minus 3, which is -1. But since addition is commutative, we can write x first before y, so x plus y is equal to -1. And this already takes the form ax plus by is equal to c. Let's have another example. A line passes through the point -4, -1 and has a slope -3/4. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? We were given a point with coordinates -4, -1 and the slope -3/4. Using the point-slope form of a line, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1, with the coordinates of point P as x sub 1 and y sub 1, we will just simply substitute these values to this equation. Plugging the values, we have y minus the value of y sub 1, which is -1, is equal to the slope, which is -3/4, times the quantity of x minus the value of x sub 1, which is -4. Simplifying our equation, we have y, the negative of -1, that's +1, is equal to, copying -3/4, times the quantity of x, the negative of -4, that is +4. Since the question requires us to write the equation in slope-intercept form, let us apply distributive property of multiplication on the right side of our equation. The result is y plus 1 is equal to -3/4 times x, that's -3/4 x, -3/4 times +4 equals -3. Finally, all we have to do is to remove this +1 on the left side of our equation. To do that, we will subtract 1 to both sides. Y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to -3/4 x minus 3 minus 1. Combining 1 minus 1 on the left side, that is 0. Therefore, we have the equation y is equal to -3/4 of x, -3 minus 1, that is -4. So that's how we write the equation of a line given the slope and a point. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up below You may also check our previous video for review, and I would really appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel.